Hey everybody, I'm continuing to test iScan, and what I'm going to do is use a regular round dent mirror on a roof rail. They're tough to get, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on iScan. You can see I've got my marker set up on this with a suction cup. I've got my dent mirror, so what I'm going to do is put it up here, try to get an angle. These are always tough in order to get a good image and for the app to pick up the marker. So let's see how that comes out. Like the photo, use it. Identify my area by tapping on the screen. Connecting the dots. Syncing. Still thinking. I'm in dev right now, so it's a little slower. Great, picked up the size, the dent count, that's brilliant, that's perfect. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to say yes. So right now it's 6 to 15 nickel, one oversize. But I still have more that I couldn't get in one single photo. So what I'm going to do is take another photo. So I'm showing you I'm sliding my dent mirror or dent marker down. I'm moving my mirror down to get the back of this. And what I'm going to do is snap that photo. And I remembered where I ended my last scan, right about the middle of that roof rail, the molding for the roof rack. So I'm going to go ahead and tap there. Use the photo, dang it. Tap there, down here, and I'm going to go ahead and scan that. Hopefully it picks up that marker at that angle. It's a tough angle. Yes, perfect. So it picked up those other dents. I'm going to go ahead and save that. And we've got, it still stayed in that same range of 6 to 15 nickel, but it added an oversize. So now we're at 2 oversize. And again, you can go in here and you can add your glue pull, whatever else that you need to add in there, you can do, and just hit done. And now what you have, I'm going to go back in there a second, look at those photos. And these are I took a bunch of photos in earlier testing, but then you get an example. Here's the photos that would be, there'd be 2 photos in there showing the 2 photos that add up to that dent count.